Hello, Tashidale to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan language grammar. Today we are part 18. Here you can see Jinjukchu 10 suffix letters, which is very important to remember every time. And today we are going to learn example of Jinjuk La. Okay, let's start here. And please try to keep in mind every word that we are going to learn, trying to remember which one is a root letter, which one is Jinjuk. Okay, please try to remember and do exercise. Okay, here you can see Nya is a root letter, La is Jinjuk. So we have to read Nya, La, Nyal, Wa. So in this case, this one, Wa, we have to pronounce Wa, not the Pa, okay? Just like a Dawa, it's a moon. So you don't call like a Daba. Even you can remember the name of the person called Dawa. Dawa Turje, Dawa Tsering, Dawa Tenjuk. So you don't call the Daba Turje, Daba. No. So that way like Dawa is similar here, also change sound. Okay, try to remember that. Okay, so what is the meaning of the Nyalwa? Nyalwa meaning is to sleep. Nyalwa. Nyalwa. Okay, next. Nyala nyal ka nga kang. Nyal kang. Nyal kang meaning is bedroom. Nyal kang. Nyal kang. Next one. Tala tal panarupo talbo. Talbo meaning is, I put here, rabbit and turtle. So that telling us talbo meaning is slow, because turtle and the rabbit racing each other. So turtle is very slow. So that's why I use this picture. Talpo. Talpo. Next. Ra shabjuru saru sa patapala pal. Rebel. Rebel meaning is turtle. Rebel. Rebel. Next. Rajiguri banaro bonga bong. Ribong. Ribong meaning is rabbit. Ribong. Ribong. Next. Ma dingbo me ta naruto ka tok. Me tok. Pa shab yupu la pul wa. Pulwa. Me tok pulwa. Me tok is flower. Pulwa is offer or offering. So that means is offering flower. Me tok pulwa. Me tok pulwa. Next, la shabju luka luk pala pal. Luk pal. Luk pal meaning is sheep wool. Luk pal. Luk pal. Next, mala mal karatata giguti. Malti. Malti meaning is bat. Malti. Malti. Next, mala mal chasa che. Malche meaning is bedding. Malche. Malche. Next, sa dingbo tse la tsil pa naropo. Tsilbo. Tsilbo meaning is big basket. A big basket that carry on the back. Okay. Tsilbo. Tsilbo. Next one. Sa ngata nga narongo tsala tsal. Ngo tsal. The ngosal meaning is vegetable. Ngosal. Ngosal. Next one, shala, shal, laka, lak. Shalak. Shalak meaning is food. Shalak. Shalak. Next, sagigu silla, silpa, silpa. Silpa meaning is dew drop. Silpa. Silpa. Next one, yala, yalga, yalga. Meaning is branch. Yalga. Yalga. Next, ya shabyu yula, yulpa, yulpa. Yulpa meaning is local people. Yulpa. Yulpa. Next, rala, ralwa, ralwa. Meaning is to tear. Ralwa. Ralwa. Next, rakigu rilla, rilwa, rilwa. Rilwa meaning is to fall. Rilwa. Rilwa. Next, sha dengbo shella, shell. Shell meaning is glass. Shell. Okay, that's all for today, and today we have learned Jinjuk La, and please try to remember the meaning of the word and also importantly the root letter and Jinjuk La. Okay, thank you, and I will see you in next video. Okay, bye bye for now.